Today we're going to be looking at a beautiful watch that's actually mirrored after the GMT Speedmaster. So without any further ado, look, it comes in this amazing case here. Amazing waterproof case. Let's go ahead and take that out and just get right at it. There we are. Look at this amazing timepiece here. Look at this watch. So splendid. So beautiful. Here it is, man. It's Invicta's answer to the GMT Speedmaster. Now, people that get this watch might be extremely confused if they're not in the know, because it has a third hand, which is actually covered by the minutes hand right now, because I actually have it on, basically what it does is the pilots flying in between time zones needed an answer. The British pilots needed an answer. They needed to track 2 time zones. So the Rolex geniuses at Rolex over in Switzerland came up with another hand that tracked the hours. So you could set that. And if you'll notice, you have an outside indices, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes all the way around. And then something interesting happens. It gets to 12, 13, 14, and goes into military 24-hour time all the way back to 24. So what you do is with that third inner hand, you see it now? See the inner hand? You're going to go ahead and set that to whatever time zone you want. I have it in Eastern Standard Time. It was about 3:15, so you see you got your 13, and then you got your 15. See that? And it's almost 4 o'clock. That would be 1600 hours. And then you can basically set it to whatever time zone you want around the world once you know that. And that will watch your 24-hour time. So next awesome thing about this watch, look at the beautiful little shark icon down there. And it's deep. It can go down 200 meters waterproof. And then also you look, it says Swiss made. So that's also something amazing. See, there's a beautiful crown right there with the nice Invicta wing logo right there on it. Very nice attention to detail on the crown. And then on the back, you got another cool little engraving of a shark, which looks just simply amazing. And then they did another lot of attention to detail, and they got the Invicta logo here on the side. I think they spent all their money on the time and mechanics inside doing Swiss, because the one area Invicta skimps out on is the clasp right here on the band. That could be solid, but instead they give you this little butterfly chintzy thing. But they make up for it. All of these are nice polished stainless steel, and then this is a gold. That's where they make up for it. Nothing real amazing on the clasp. It's basically simple, but it works. And once again, a little amazing attention to detail with the Invicta logo right there again. So it's an incredible timepiece. It keeps very accurate time. I've never had a problem with the time. And then another nice little thing about this, you got a really nice Cyclops right here. So it's got the date time also in it. So it's got the date. So that's pretty much this in a nutshell. I mean, there's a nice little counterbalance on the back side of some of these. This one doesn't have it. It's just got the nice sweeping dot there. And then there's the arrow for the 24-hour time. So I hope you've enjoyed this little review of the Invicta's answer to the GMT Speedmaster. Great watch. Great attention to detail. I highly recommend it to anyone out there. It's an incredible timepiece. And I mean, you can pick these things up for a way fraction of the cost of an actual GMT Speedmaster. And you can get all the functionality and capability out of this watch. You get the Swiss movement, you get the waterproof, and it looks good. If it's obviously a dress watch. I'm not really into the dress watches too much, but there's a time and a place for everything. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.